Hello guys, CrazyPua here with another video. It's Friday. I'm going to a doctor's appointment right now for a physical. And yeah, after that I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'll take you on a trip today. Woohoo! Here I am. Now let's see what the doctor told me. I'm done with the doctor for today. They took some blood out of me. They made me pee in a cup. And yeah, I had an x-ray. I get my results on Monday. But apparently I'm healthy. Yeah, let's wait for the results to see how healthy I am. Yeah. Now, what am I supposed to do now? Oh, I'm gonna take Pookie to the vet. So I get home. And check out what Pookie did. Look at the trash. Look at her face. Look at this. Look at that. Pookie, you're crazy. Okay, so now I'm going to the vet. I'm gonna take Pookie to the vet so they can do her rabies shot. And yeah, that's all for her today. She misbehaved, so now she goes to the vet. I gotta take Pookie in my mother-in-law's car because they don't accept pets on the rental car. Because then there will be hair all over and they will charge me for that. Go to the back! We're done. It was less than 5 minutes. We just went in, they weighed her, and yeah, we went in, they put the shot on her, and that's it. Pookie is happy. Look at her. She's happy. She's happy. She's happy. Okay, so it's 5:08 and they called me from the body shop to let me know that they're cleaning the car and I can pick it up. They close at 5:30, so I was giving up already. So they called me like 20 minutes before they close to tell me that the car is ready. Now I have to go get it, then drop off the rental car at a different place, and then get my car. Seriously? So I got my car back. You guys can see it finally got fixed. Tire looks straight, nice. The painting job, I mean, looks good. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it looks good. So yeah, finally my car back. The moment, here's my car. The moment to say bye to this car, to the Malibu. Last day, time to give it back. Yeah, since I got my car, I decided to come to the mall because I'm happy with my car. Whoa, yeah, I'm happy because I got my car. What should I buy? What should I buy? What should I do?
La 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 la. Ah la 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 la. Rumba rumba rumba.
So I thought I wasn't gonna buy much at H&M, and I bought 5 t-shirts. Yeah, but the total wasn't much. Oh my god, H&M is really cheap. I mean, it's probably, I don't know. I'm happy with my t-shirts, so yeah. Now I'm about to go eat something because I'm hungry, like always. Right guys, we came to Chile. 20-minute wait, but well, it's time to go now. So I'm full. after going to Chili's, and I thought I wasn't gonna buy much at H&M, but I bought this, I bought this, and this. I didn't buy Pookie, but yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you in the next video.
Ah, la, 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 la.